Hello everyone, I'm Dmitry and this is interview. I want to share my opinion about the SteelSeries Arctis Pro headphones. They have a decent package. The headphones are connected to the computer through a hub, which additionally allows volume control from two channels, by default it's game and chat. Also included in the package is a microphone attachment and a gamepad adapter. In terms of sound, it's good but not excellent. The frequencies are balanced without any distortions, but the headphones are clearly tuned for high frequencies to gain an advantage in games. I'm not a fan of distorted sound. For better hear footsteps in games, although these headphones allow that. I prefer an atmosphere and clean sound. However, I haven't been able to adjust them in ways that makes all instruments sound good in most songs. In short, I was hoping for a significantly better sound. Previously, I had a Sennheiser HD 280 Pro headphones, and even without all the surround technologies, they had a deeper and better sound. Arctis Pro headphones, it's difficult for me to understand what the sound source is coming from behind in action games. But in strategies and isometric RPGs, the directions perfectly discernible in all directions. The headphones have a quite versatile software that allows independent adjustment of multiple input channels. There are presets for popular games, and as I mentioned before, you can adjust the sound to hear footsteps better. But in this case, everything else sounds awful to me. It's also very inconvenient to have the volume button on the headphones themselves. I keep accidentally touching it when taking off and putting on. It would have been much better if it were located on the upper surface. The microphone is good and it has a separate mute button, which is very convenient. And it sounds like this. And this is how a microphone sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, test, test. Unfortunately, they have another drawback that became apparent a week of use. Arctis Pro doesn't have active noise cancellation, but even without it, external noises are not audible and don't distract during gameplay. In summary, SteelSeries Arctis Pro are good headphones in terms of sound, but they should be priced lower, considering their not outstanding performance in other aspects. That's all. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like the video and let me know about your favorite headphones, I'm interested to find out. Bye everyone!